Mas não vão ficar, mas isso é normal. Agora nós não moramos de chegar ali. Vamos tomar aquela sopa, não?
Se tem fome.
See, this is all Chinatown area. You know, a lot of people from China,
Yeah.
you know, from the province called Xiamen, from the south province, they lived here in the days. So these are all on the left side, right side. We call them the pre-war shop houses. Shop houses mean first level commercial, second, third level living quarters in the days. But now all become full commercial. My childhood days, I used to live by this shop house.
Yeah.
No water supply, direct to the building, and toilet, no flush.
Ah.
No flush in the toilet.
That's how many years back? Many years.
All 1960s lah. 1960s.
Only 60s?
Yeah, 60s only. Singapore only development only 30 years only what? So in the hands of first Prime Minister, 31 years. Only development. It's all Chinatown.
Perto que vejo. Agora aquele gonga vai 500 metros estamos a ter nosso prédio. Aqui vejo contar um pouco lugar, quantos grandes caminhos.
Drive through more in Chinatown here. Later on the right side, you can see the story of the Chinese from China. How they leave China, they came to Singapore, take a sail, a junk, boat, come to Singapore from China. And then they lived here, worked here, married here. They built schools, hospital, they study, university, and then succeed in the business. Majority, 75% of Singaporeans are Chinese. See right side, Look at the story, look at the drawing. See, divide and everything.
Oh, like this with Auntie Vinyasi did it.
See, they married.
Auntie.
Esses homens não?
Veja, casamento.
Sim.
And no begging in Singapore. You're gonna see beggars,
Ah, yeah.
Very good.
Well, what they do,
See,
if
right
you are a
side,
beggar,
lift your right side.
there is place for them.
They have they use the trolleys, no? They use the trolleys to move around. They go and collect the old carton, old newspaper, okay? Then they go and sell. Out of selling, they get
But
cash.
there is house to keep the poor.
Yeah, they have now.
Their house also. So government looks after them.
Yeah, you see on the left side, this is
Yeah.
all the collection center. So the guys will collect cardboards, go and sell.
Elevated.
So by selling, they get cash money. So Chinatown.
Aqueles ricos também querem ser pobres. O governo dá isto.
Aqui também é muito.
Muita população. Veja esse bom de Gonga, não mora no...
4 different places of worship in Chinatown. A mosque, a masjid, then a Hindu temple, Sri Mariamma temple, really the Buddha temple and a church.
Church also?
All have 4 places of worship in one area. Very close to each other. Because Singapore racially harmony, yeah?
Yeah, very nice.
See? It's all Chinatown. See your right side, look at it. First one is a masjid, mosque. Okay?
Veja, it is
Right side, the green mosque.
Eastern Mall.
This is the mosque, masjid.
Eastern Mall.
Masjid
Eastern Mall.
Jami Chulia. And followed by the Hindu temple, see Sri Mariamma temple. So Mariamman? Mariamma temple.
Very good.
Sri Mariamma temple, Hindu temple.
Católico também
And
abriu.
here in Chinatown,
Yeah.
there is also a food street here. Tables and chairs on the street.
That's an evening.
Yeah.
Veja, it is like we see the ball.
Aqui são muito bonitos.
This street is a food street. Okay? The right side.
Is this the Chinatown?
Yeah, this is Chinatown, yeah. About 4 temples you can see.
You can hear?
4 temples. On the right side you see the table chairs here. Table chair. Come evening, everybody is sitting there.
It's safe to eat out?
Yeah, very, very safe. And you see the release the Buddha temple. Yeah?
Okay.
Right side the Buddha temple and then the church on the left side. Very Methodist church on the left. You know the Hong Kong superstar Jackie Chan?
Jackie Chan, yeah.
This building there, you know,
Yeah,
the
Jackie Chan.
left side, yeah, center one.
Center one.
This building. This one.
Oh,
It's a rickshaw station. See, it's written there. Jin Rickshaw Station. Can you see the word there?
Oh.
Jin Rickshaw. You know rickshaw?
Yeah.
Pulled by the neighbor. People sit behind, people running. Huh?
Yeah.
That's a rickshaw. Souvenirs and chocolate gallery. Okay, you can have good souvenirs there. The $10 3 t-shirts, keychains, 24 pieces for $10. Nice bags. No tax, no GST.
Okay.
That means you don't pay GST 7% there. It's tax free. And then you save, yeah. And currency, any currency you can use. You can use Indian rupees, you can use Malaysian ringgit, you can use Indonesian rupees, also can be used. USD also can be used. And vegetarian. 90% of their chocolates are vegetarian.
We can use this Singapore dollars
You
also.
can use, you can use Singapore dollar. And no tax, no tax.
Yes.
So it's good that you can buy here. And at the entrance, they give you a souvenir, a free chocolate drink. Okay? You like the taste, you can buy the powder. A lot of people like to buy the powder. Plus here, very good is that no tax. Anyway, in Singapore, you do purchase, 100% you get a 7% GST.
Okay.
Yeah. 7% is quite low. $100, every $100 you must pay $7.